In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trendline and slope equation in Google Sheets. If you are working with data and want to quickly spot a pattern or show the relationship between values, adding a trendline is a simple and very useful feature. It can help make your chart easier to understand, especially when you want to present data visually and also show the underlying equation. To get started, first highlight your data set, including the headers. This is important because Google Sheets uses the selected range to build the chart, and including the headers helps it label your chart correctly. Make sure you select all the relevant rows and columns before moving on. Next, go to the top menu. Click Insert, and then choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on your selected data. At this stage, the default chart type may not always be the best one for trend analysis, so you'll want to check that next. In the chart editor, make sure either a scatter chart or a line chart is selected under the Setup tab. In most cases, scatter charts are strongly recommended for trend analysis because they show the relationship between individual data points more clearly. If your chart is not already set to scatter or line, simply change it here. After that, double-click anywhere on the chart to open the chart editor pane on the right side if it isn't already visible. Once the editor is open, click the Customize tab at the top. This section gives you access to the visual and analytical options for your chart. Now open the Series drop-down menu. This area controls how the data series is displayed. Scroll down until you find the checkbox labeled Trendline and enable it. As soon as you check that box, Google Sheets will draw a trendline directly on your chart. Once the trendline is active, you'll notice that more options appear underneath it. These extra settings allow you to control how the trendline is displayed. Look for the Label drop-down menu, which may be set to none or sometimes custom by default. Click that drop-down and select Use Equation. As soon as you do that, your chart legend will display the formula in standard slope-intercept form written as y equals mx plus b. This makes it easy to see both the slope and the intercept without needing to calculate them manually. And that's it. You've successfully added a trend line and displayed the slope equation in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.